Brian, what's 2 plus 2?
4.
No, it's 5.
Nuh-uh. 4.
It's 5.
4.
5.
4.
5.
4.
5. Who's the president of the United States?
Barack Obama.
No. So wrong. Mitt Romney is. No, I'm kidding with you. Brian. Listen, why'd you hit me in the face earlier?
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Why'd you hit me in the face, huh?
No, I didn't. I didn't hit you in the face. Ow!
That's a hit in the face for getting too close to the camera.
Can I see it? Dude, it's recording.
I'm gonna take your teeth thing.
That's not a teeth thing.
Haha.
Hey!
You can't spit on the camera. Nice try.
Nasir.
Stop.
Nasir!
Let go of the video. I'm still